welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd bring you along with me while I do a little collage journaling in my book of colors. The book of colors comes from a group that Cat Hand has here on the YT. It's a mixed media Morsals. And this time we're working in a book of colors. So this week's color, as you can see, is orange. So we've already had the color red. We've had the color teal. I did timeless teal. And now orange. So let me get started and lay my stuff down. I don't want to keep you here too long. But how is everybody doing? Oop, let me get all this stuff off my... How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's week is going well so far. I'm just getting into my week. My week is at work this week. It's just so busy that I just haven't had time to do just about anything. And I know that when the weekend comes, I'm going to be just totally out of it. And I know I had to ask, you know what? I'm going to tell you how bad this week is. I had to ask Alexa. I said, Alexa, when is Easter? And I know, Sophie, I had to ask her. That's my dog, Sophie, back there. And so I had to go, when is Easter, Alexa? Alexa had to tell me when Easter was, because I thought I had a couple of more weeks. I thought I had another week or so to go before Easter showed up. But Alexa said Easter was this weekend. So I had to run out today. I had a doctor's appointment. So I went out to my doctor's appointment, came back, and picked up my items to get my mailings done. So I went to Sophie, stop. So I went to the post office, mailed off all my things because I had a couple of young ones that are my buds that I wanted to make sure that I mailed some stuff to. So I wanted to make sure I got them some, I made some stuff for that. I had a little Easter basket thing that I wanted to mail up to them in Boston. So I had to run out to the store today, to the mailbox today, to the post office today to get that done. So I went out, I did that. Oh, that door is really big. I didn't think it was so big because it kind of covers up everything. Let me see if I can slide it down a little bit. Slide down a little bit, door. So I had to do that because I wasn't, I don't know where I lost my time at, but lost time, didn't even know when Easter was. So I'm like, oh my goodness, Jay, you, my girl, are messy right now. You're messy. And so I wanted to make sure that I got that done. And the post office was, crowded, not so crowded. it wasn't crowded when I went. And the thing that struck me with the post office was, my goodness, post office, postal stuff. I remember you used to mail a little package. Little package cost you $2 or $3. You get there now. You come back, and the lady said to me, she said, oh, that'll be $40. I said, for I was stuttering. And I don't even have a stutter. I said, for $40? She said, yeah, that'll be $40. So I said, $40 to mail these couple of things? And she said, yes, ma'am. So I said to myself, yes, ma'am. Goodness. I was like, well, maybe I don't want to, maybe I don't want to spend $40 at the post office today. But I did it. I got the stuff mailed up. I'm going to have to trim some of this off because I think this is a little bit big, so I'm going to have to trim it a little bit. So I said, $40. Man, post office. They should have dismantled all of your crap, because once they dismantled it and all the crap that they dismantled to keep people from voting, now we got to pay the price for it in our normal postage. I was like, this is getting to be too much. Get those machines and put them back together. You can't be ripping off the public like that. But they are. Nothing we can do about it, because we still got to mail our stuff. So we going to be mailing our stuff and anything. So I put this here and this here like that to give it a little bit of balance. And I'm loving the Prima Diamond collection. Oh, if you want to see my video where I did a flip through of the Prima Diamond collection, that collection is just beautiful. And a lot of these come from that Prima Diamond collection. I'm gonna have to trim a little bit. Come from the Prima Diamond collection. And I thought I had this. I'll put this on there. So the collaging is orange. The color is orange. So each month, Kat gives us a color, and we have to go out and find. I love these kind of projects like this, where you go out and you find stuff with that color, and you make a collage of it. And so I was just enjoying it. I got this piece of lace here that I want to put on this page. So I gathered a whole bunch of stuff. I never know if I'm going to use all the stuff I gather, and hoping that turns white right there. Oh, this needs a little bit of glue. And it's supposed to come out to be a cute little collage thing with your little pieces in it. I'm liking it so far. You'll have to tell me what you think of it. I want to put these words here. I want to put this here, where it says, she's got that warrior princess purpose-driven savage, but a sweet kind of vibe. Yes, indeed we do. Yes, indeed women do. Okay, so I wanted to put this butterfly in there, but I don't think he fits, so sorry guy. You're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. I want to put this flower in here. I hope I'm in camera. Put this flower in here. Like that. Like that. I want to put a little piece of this. So most of all my stuff is orange. Most of it's orange. And I think I want to put another little piece of this lace on this side. Kind of balance off the heaviness of the collage. I love collage art. I love making collages with stuff. Hoping that dries nice and white when it gets its chance. So I have some of that in there. I think I want a little bit of this African print that I have here. It's orange. And I want to throw that right there. And I think I was going to put these flowers in, but I think I'll save them for something else. I had these lips. I don't think the lips do anything for my page. So I think in that brief moment, I've finished creating for my book of colors, my orange page. I'll bring you down so you can kind of see what my orange page looks like. Tell me what you think about it. Do you think I actually captured the nice orange and did a nice collage for the color of orange for the month? And did I need the lips, you guys? Did I need the lips? Tell me if I need the lips. If you think I need the lips, I'll go back and put the lips back in. But if you like it the way it is, tell me down below. And if you want to join and do something similar to this, because we made our own books and we do all this, and I love doing these kind of projects to keep my creativity going. So this is from Kat Hand's Book of Colors in a mixed media Morsals group. And this is my color for the month of March, orange. Thank you for joining me while I did this. And thanks for joining my channel. If you like what I'm doing and all the different things that I'm doing, because I like to do a lot of different things, forgive my hands for looking like that, because I'm in the process of painting my Easter egg. So here's my Easter egg. I always like to show you what I'm working on. Here's my Easter egg. Now my Easter egg project, a dragon is going to come out of that hole. So I'm working on that. So that's why my hands look so terrible, because I'm working on my Easter egg project and everything. And I just sitting here having a good time creating. So join me, and if I get going on my Easter egg, get it all painted up, I'll probably come back on camera and show you what I'm doing with my eggs, because he's going to be a mixed media project if I can get it going good enough. It's all in my head right now, and that dragon's going to pop out of there. So give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs ups are mostly appreciated. It lets YouTube know that people are enjoying the stuff that I do on my channel. If you're new here, then press that subscribe button, press that button beside so you can see what new things I'm doing. If you like collage art and you want something to do, join my monthly Mojo tags, and that will kind of get you into doing stuff and keeping your creative juices going. So thank you everyone for joining me. Talk to you soon, and be the reason somebody smile. Stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you, you guys. Bye.